Hello friends, after a long time we are meeting together. Today I came with the shares and dividend chapter. We know that this is the last chapter of the commercial mathematics portion of our ICSE syllabus. But first of all, we have to know what is share. A big company like Tata or your Birla or Reliance, they need lots of money to run their business. So what they do, they call us to be the partner of them. But we can't directly be the partner of them. They divide their need in small parts and we purchase that and we become the part of that company. That's why that is called the share, what we purchase. And by purchasing the share, we become the shareholders. And after 1 year or after a financial year, company gives us some benefits. That is called dividend, what we get. Okay, so that is given by the company. Here in this chapter, I know you feel little bit of doubts here, but after the class, I can assure you, you will be able to solve all the sums by yourself. So first, let's get started with some notations. Here the abbreviations and some here the technical terms are there. We have to understand that. Okay. So let's get started. Now we need to know. Now we need to know this terminologies first. First is nominal value. What is nominal value or face value or printed value? They are same thing, and the abbreviation is NV. NV means nominal value. What is nominal value? Nominal value means the original value of the share. It remains same always. So what is the original value of the share? That is called the nominal value or face value or printed value, and that remains same always. It has no change. So nominal value has no change. Second is market value. Abbreviation is MV. We can call it cash value as well. It's the price of the share at any time. It changes from time to time. That means at any time, what is the price of the share? The nominal value is 100 rupees. Right now, its price is, when you are going to purchase, it's 150 rupees. So that is the at it means at what price you are purchasing. That is called the market value or cash value. Okay, so we purchase the share at market value. We purchase the share at market value. Okay, always. So I hope it's clear what is market value. Next, we'll need to know these three things: at par, below the par, and above the par. It depends upon the relation between nominal value and market value. When the nominal value equal to market value means when you are going to buy the share, the market price is same as the nominal value. So that time you are purchasing at par. At par. Next is below the par. So three cases may arise: either nominal value and market value are same, or nominal value is more than the market value, or nominal value is less than the market value. When nominal value is more than the market value, that means you are getting in the less price of the nominal value. So market value is less than the nominal value. That means you are purchasing below the par or at discount. At discount. So we are getting some discount. Okay, let the price was nominal value is 100 rupees. You are purchasing a share at 90 rupees. That means nominal value is more than market value. So you are purchasing below the par or at discount. I hope it's clear. But when the nominal value is less than the market value, that means nominal value let 100 rupees, market value is 110 rupees. That means we are purchasing above par, above the here par is, if the nominal value is 100 and the market value is 100, then it's at par. So the market value is more than the nominal value. So it's above par or at premium. Okay, so you keep in your mind what is nominal value, that is the original value of the share and it remains same always, and market value the current value. At you remember one thing, that we purchase the share at market value. Okay, at market value. If the market value is equal to the nominal value, that means we are purchasing at par. If market value is less than the nominal value, then we are purchasing below the par, and if the market value is more than the nominal value, then above par or at premium. I hope it's clear. We understood what is share. Now the another term is dividend. What is dividend? We will understand here. Dividend means, we can call it income, we can call it profit, we can call it as return. Means the dividend, how much we, after purchasing the share, how much profit I get, that is called dividend. The dividend paid by the company to the shareholders. Okay, the income, profit, return and dividend are same thing, okay. But few things we need to remember. In our sums or in the terms of the company, the dividend is always expressed as percentage. Always expressed as percentage. Next is, it's given by the company to the shareholders. Shareholders means that I bought a few shares of the Reliance. So I am the shareholder. Okay, the shareholders. So given by the company to the shareholders. And the last but very important thing, that company gives the dividend to the shareholder on the nominal value. Whatever may be the market value is, market value doesn't matter. Okay, so always dividend percentage calculated on the nominal value. You please remember this one. Okay, so dividend, I hope it's clear. Next we'll move to some quotations. Okay, to solve word problems we need to understand some quotations. So let's start. Okay, now here I wrote two quotations. 15% of rupees 100 shares at rupees 145. What does it mean? And here I wrote one another quotation, 12% rupees 25 shares at a discount of rupees 5. So these quotations are important to understand. Otherwise, what is written? 15% of 100 rupees shares at this means what? So that we need to understand. So first we'll understand all these things which are given here. The 15% of 100, it means nominal value of the one share is rupees 100. Nominal value of one share is 100. At rupees 145, it means the market price, or we purchase the share at rupees 145. So this is 145. So this is the market value. And what is this 15%? 15% means the dividend percentage. 15% means the dividend percentage. So dividend percentage is 15%. Okay. So dividend on one share, what is your nominal value? So 15% of nominal value. Here nominal value is 100. So 15% of 100 equal to 15 rupees, equal to 15, equal to rupees 15. So dividend on one share is, I told, the dividend always calculated on the nominal value, not on the market value. So nominal value is 15% of the nominal value, that is 100. So rupees 15. Now the income. So you purchase one share. Let's suppose you purchase one share at 145 rupees. So your investment is 145 rupees, and how much you get as return or as income, that is 15 rupees. So income on rupees 145 is rupees 15. I hope it's clear. And the rate of return or yield per annum. What is the rate of return? So how much my income, that is 15 rupees. How much my investment return, rate of return means I invested 145 rupees. From there I got 15 rupees as income. So 15 by 145 into 100 percentage, 100 percentage. So that will be our return percentage. If you calculate, it will come 10 and 10 by 29 percentage. Okay, it will come 10 and 10 by 29 percentage. So I hope it's clear. So if you get this type of statement, from there you have to understand this is my nominal value, this is my market value, dividend percentage is 15%, dividend on one share is on the nominal value, this one. So we'll do this one, this statement. We'll decode this statement. 12% of 25 shares at a discount of rupees 5. So what does it mean? Yeah, it means number one, nominal value. And I am telling all of you, when you will solve the sum, no, first you write like me, that first which are given and what we have to find out. So first is nominal value. Here nominal value is what? That is rupees 25. What is market value? Listen one. Look at here. 12% of rupees 25 shares are share which is of 25 rupees are getting at a discount of 5 rupees. That means the market value we are getting in discount. Market value is less than the nominal value. So market value is rupees 25 minus rupees 5 at a discount, means rupees 20. This is the market value. So I have to find first the nominal value, then the market value of one share. Then the dividend percentage. Here dividend percentage is 12%. Dividend percentage is 12%. And number 4, show dividend on one share equal to, what is the, it will be calculated on the nominal value. So 12% of rupees 25. So 12 by 100 into 25. So rupees 3. Rupees 3 is the dividend on one share. Okay, next, then we will find the income on what is our investment. We invested 20 rupees is how much? Rupees 3. So I hope it's clear. So I purchased one share. So its cost price, or we should not use here cost price, it's actually a market value. Market value is 20 rupees. Okay. Number 6, the rate of return per annum equal to how much? We got 3 rupees, we invested 20 rupees into 100%. So it's 15%. I hope it's clear. So we have to understand this type of quotations, because in the word problem you will get the quotations. Okay. Now we will jump to the formulas. Okay, which formulas we need to apply. I hope it's clear. So let's see which formulas are here. The formulas are here. First formula of investment. How much investment I did. So investment means how many shares I purchased into the market value. So that is, if I purchase 2 shares, so number of shares 2 into the what is the market value of 1 share. So that's why the formula is of the investment is money invested equal to number of shares into the market value, because we purchase the shares on the market value. Okay. So market value. So money invested equal to number of shares into market value. Now income and return. What is income and return percentage? First, annual income. Income is, we know income, we discuss just the income or return, means the dividend percentage into the nominal value. So nominal, on the nominal value, company gives us dividend. So dividend percentage into nominal value. Even now, this is for 1 share. You purchase late 1,000 shares. So into thousands, that's why number of shares into dividend percentage into nominal value. Okay. So if you remind that formula, that when we told that profit or dividend equal to the dividend percentage into the nominal value. And now how many shares you will buy, multiply with that. So nominal value, annual income is nominal number of shares into dividend percentage into nominal value. Next is rate of return. Rate of return, when we studied these quotations, yield or return, same thing, the annual income, how much my income by how much my investment into 100 percentage. By 1,000 rupees investment, I got 100 rupees. So 100 by 1,000 into 100 percentage, because always we rate of return we calculate on percentage. Okay, as percentage. Now number of shares. How can we find number of shares? The number of shares purchased equal to, it's very easy. From here only it will come. That money invested equal to number of shares into market value. So number of shares equal to money invested by market value of 1 share. Market value of 1 share. If we write market value of 1 share. So same thing, very easy. Or annual income by income on 1 share. How much my income is from here? Is it income on 1 share? This is, this much is this income on 1 share. We can write income on 1 share. So number of shares equal to annual income by income on 1 share. Very, actually very easy. Okay. Now relation between dividend percentage and return percentage. Okay, this formula is very important. Dividend percentage into nominal value dividend percentage into nominal value, that means income on one share, that is equal to profit or return percentage into market value. Profit or return percentage into market value. If we find it, they are same. They are same. Okay. So these are the formulas we will apply in the sums. So the theory portion is completed. We'll jump to the problems. Okay. So let's solve few problems. First sum. Calculate the money required to buy 350, 20 shares at a premium of 7. What does it mean? And 275, rupees 60 shares at a discount of 10. So the first one, solution. To solve each and every sum, you write like, how am I writing? Okay, I'm writing. So what is given? 350. What does it mean? This is the number of shares. So you write number of shares, number one, equal to 350. Okay, solution of 1. Okay, number of shares equal to 350. Next is, this is rupees 20 shares. That means this is the nominal value of one share equal to rupees 20 at a premium of rupees 7. What does it mean? Premium means above par. Above par means market value of one share equal to rupees 20 plus 7. At premium, premium means above the nominal value, add. So rupees 27. So we got everything. What is the nominal value? What is the market value? We got. Now calculate the money required to buy. That means the investment. That means the investment. Investment formula. Look at here. I kept this one for you. That investment, then investment equal to, we'll take the help of this formula. Number of shares. Number of shares means I'm not writing again. You just look at this one. Come to the next one. A man bought 500 shares, each of the value rupees 10, each of face value rupees 10 of a certain business concern, and during the first year after purchase received 400 as dividend on his shares. Find the rate of dividend. Okay, no problem. So he bought the man for 500 shares. And first we write number of, which are known to us, number of shares equal to 500. Then nominal value is giving face value of one's decided business function, and here market value is not given. After the first year, after purchase, receive 400 as dividend on his share. So income, dividend or income equal to this formula. So we are find rate of equal to x percentage. No problem, x percent. So number of shares is given, nominal value or face value is given. When I was starting business concept during the first year, they got which formula do we apply here? Okay, look at here. Annual income, annual income, annual income equal to number of shares into dividend percentage into nominal value. So if we apply this formula, we can find out because annual income is given. See, he purchased 400 as dividend. That is the annual income. Number of shares unknown. Dividend percentage is unknown. And nominal value is known. So we will apply this formula and we will find it out. We'll do it. So we will write annual. We know that annual income equal to number of shares into dividend percentage into nominal. So which are going to put here? That implies 400 equal to number of shares 500 into dividend percentage is x% into you can do x into nominal value is 10. So x equal to 4 by 5 into 10. 4 by 5 into 10. Sorry, this is dividend percentage. So dividend percentage. So that means x by 100 equal to 4 by 5 into 10. So x equal to 4 into 100 by 5. So 8 percentage. Okay, x percent means x by 100. So this is the calculation. So it's very easy. Okay, let's do one more. I hope it's clear. So you will apply this formula directly, you will get this one. But here important thing is you have to write x percentage. Okay, x by 100. Okay, x by 100. Now this is our third sum. And it came in the year also. Omit invests 36,000 by 100 rupees 100 shares at rupees 20 premium. The dividend is 15% per annum. Find the number of shares he buys, his yearly dividend, the percentage return on his investment. We will solve this sum. First, we will read which are given. Okay, so Amit invest 36,000. That means which are given. So first, right now which are given. Then I think everything will be clear what I need to do. Okay, so mathematics means the relation between which is given and which I have to find out. So let's try. So we'll write investment equal to 36,000. Sorry, 36,000. in buying rupees 100 shares at 20 premium. What does it mean? That means, this means nominal value is given. Nominal value is rupees 100 and market value is given, but didn't give directly. They told shares at 20 rupees premium. 20 rupees premium. What does it mean? Means the market value is 120 rupees. Okay, 120 rupees. Dividend percentage is given. Dividend percentage equal to 15%. Now the first question. The number of shares he buys. How many shares? The number of shares equal to, we know the formula, number of shares equal to, is it here? Investment by market value. So, yeah, here. Investment by the market value. Investment means how much? 36,000 by 120. 300. So 300 shares he bought. The next is his yearly dividend. So dividend equal to this formula, dividend equal to annual income, number of shares into dividend percentage into nominal value. So I am not writing all the things, just you go through it. 300 shares, dividend percentage is 15, so 15 by 100 into nominal value. What is the nominal value? We know that 100 got cancel out, 4,500. Okay, 4,500. This is the dividend. And the last, one by one, step by step you do, very easy. The percentage of return. So return percentage equal, return percentage how much? Return percentage is annual income by investment into 100%. So annual income is 4500 by investment is 36,000 into 100%. Okay. So, acha, we keep here. Then 9, 4, 5, 50, 2, 25. So 25 by 2 percentage equal to 12.5%. Okay, I hope it's clear. So this sum, I hope it's clear to all of you. Let's solve another sum. The next sum. A man buys rupees 80 shares in a company which pays 20% dividend. He buys the share at such a price that his profit is 16% on his investment. At what price did he buy the share? That means, what did they ask? They asked the market value. They asked the market value. Okay. So to solve this type of sum now, what is required? We can, which are known, we will write first. So first is nominal value. Is given? Yes, it is given. Rupees 80. A man buys 80 shares in a company. Dividend percentage is 20%. He buys the share at such a price. His profit is 16%. Profit is 16% means what is given? This is given. This rate of return, okay, or profit percentage. So profit percentage is given 16%. Okay, now we have to find the market value is how much. See, look at this formula. Dividend percentage into nominal value equal to profit percentage into market value. So, so first write which are known. Then they will help us to go with which formula. Okay. So here we'll apply this one, that dividend percentage into nominal value equal to profit percentage into market value. So dividend percentage, how much? Dividend percentage is 20%, so 20 by 100. What is nominal value? That is 80 equal to profit. Profit percentage I know, 16 by 100 into market value. So these 100 cancel. So market value is rupees 100. So very easy. So first write which are known to us and which I have to find. I will look for the right formula. Okay, so sums are very easy, I'm telling you. So let's jump to the another sum. This is our last sum. Vivek invest rupees 4,500 in 8%, rupees 10 shares at rupees 15. He sells the shares when the price rises to rupees 30 and invests the proceeds in 12%, 100 shares at this one. Calculate the sale proceeds. So what does it mean? We'll understand first. First of all, Vivek invest. So first investment. What happened here? So he first invested 4,500 in 8%. The share whose nominal value is 10 rupees and market value is 15 rupees. Then he sells that one at rupees 30. So we have to find how many shares he bought. So first we will find the given thing, the at first. Investment equal to 4,500. Then nominal value equal to rupees 10. Market value equal to rupees 15. So number of shares equal to 4,500 by 15. So 300. So 300 shares he bought at first. Now what happened? He sold these 300 shares at the rate of 30 rupees. So the sale at number 1, sale proceed equal to number of shares into selling price, means 30. So rupees 9,000 is his sales proceed. Okay, sales proceed. Now what did he do? He invested this 9,000 to purchase the share whose nominal value is 100 and market value is 125. Okay, so the number of 125 shares he buys, that means how many shares he buys right now? So the second answer is number of number of 125 shares equal to 9,000 by 125 by 125. It will come 72. It will come 72. If you calculate, it will come 72. So he bought 72 shares whose market value is 125 rupees. And the last one, the change in his annual income from dividend. From dividend. So what was his first income? Income at first he bought 3,000 shares whose nominal value was 10 rupees and dividend percentage is 8%, same 8% that time. In the second case, so first case, at the in the beginning, dividend equal to 300 into 10 into 8 by 100. So 240 rupees. That was the in the beginning, and at last dividend equal to, at last dividend in the second case, dividend percentage is 12%, nominal value is 100 and 72 shares. This time we bought 72 shares, so 72 into 100 into 12 by 100. So the change in income, so hence the change in income equal to, now his income is 864, his income was 240 before, so the change is 4624. Okay, I hope it's clear. So this is another type of sum. I hope you got this one today. After that, you keep practicing, and if you like my video, please share with your friends, and but most importantly, keep practicing. Okay, if you have doubt, you write in the comment box. I will try to clear it up, and if you need more sums, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Keep watching and keep practicing.